In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete archived chats in ChatGPT. If you've tucked conversations away for later and now want to clean things up, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click, step by step, so nothing gets missed. First, open ChatGPT and look to the left-hand sidebar. At the very bottom, you'll see your profile button. It might look like a small avatar or your initials. Click that profile button to open your account options. This is where you'll find all the settings that control how your chats and data are managed. Next, click on Settings. This opens a panel with several sections related to your account and preferences. We're heading to the area that manages your data and history, so keep the panel open and continue to the next part. Inside Settings, select Data Controls. This is the place that centralizes options for your chat history, training preferences, export tools, and, importantly for today, your archived chats. You'll see an archived chat section here, which is exactly what we need. In the archived chat section, click Manage. That will open a list of conversations you previously archived. Think of this as your storage area for chats you wanted out of the main view but didn't want to lose. From here, you can review titles and dates to pinpoint the exact conversation you're ready to remove for good. Now, find the conversation you want to delete. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one, especially if you have similarly named chats or older threads with generic titles. Once you've located it, look for the trash icon next to that conversation. Click the trash icon to delete it. Depending on your interface, you might be asked to confirm the deletion. If that prompt appears, confirm to proceed. That's it. Your selected archived chat is now deleted. Keep in mind that deleting is different from archiving. Archiving simply moves a chat out of your main list, while deleting removes it entirely, and it won't appear in your archive anymore. If you're tidying up regularly, repeating these same steps will help you keep only what you need. To recap quickly, Profile at the bottom of the left sidebar, then Settings, then Data Controls, open Archive Chats with Manage, find the conversation, and click the trash icon. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your ChatGPT workspace clean and organized.